Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be on the Juvias Foundation. Initially, watching videos on YouTube, I came to the conclusion that my shade will be Malawi, which is 230, but I didn't want to order online, so I waited until it came in stores, which was June 2nd, I believe. And I picked up the Malawi, swatched it, and it was not my shade. So if you're thinking about ordering online, I recommend you just go into the stores, because I would have ordered the wrong shade so far from my skin tone, but I ended up getting the 200, which is Kenya, and it's a perfect match. As you can see in the video, as you put it on, first it looks pretty light, pretty weird. But this foundation is really full coverage. A little goes a long way. As you can see, I only use a little dot and my face is completely covered. So for the rest of the video, I'll be doing a quick natural look. Here I'm using the Black Radiance palette in medium to dark. This is a new setting powder I'm using. I usually use the beamin in Topaz. I got this off of Amazon. I never really use this. I usually get the Topaz that's in the color closer to my skin tone. And this one is really white. I never really cared about buying the white powders, but I tried it, and a plus about this powder is that it smells really good. You guys should try it. I'll leave a link below. After I clean that off, I'm just spraying my face with the setting spray. I believe it's the Wet n Wild with the matte finish. Here I am attempting to do a wing that came out super ugly. I need to practice my wings, but whatever. I still kept it on. Now I'm putting it on my lashes. These are the FAUX brand from my local beauty supply store. Here I'm adding this really beautiful bronzer that I purchased. It's from the NYX brand. I'll probably add a photo somewhere. I can't remember the name. Now to bring the look together, I'm just lining my lips, and then I'm gonna add the butter gloss from the NYX collection. Not sure of the name. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link down below for further product details. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.